Hey guys, this is Daniel over at dronesinhawaii.com going over another section of the Part 107 exam. Today we're going to be going over the center of gravity, load factors, and stalls. So let's get started. The diagram that you see in front of you is a fixed-wing aircraft and its center of gravity. Although drone pilots operate drones with the different kinds of physics, the FAA does want you to know what the center of gravity is and know that if you push your drone over that limit, that it negatively affects the performance of that particular drone. Additionally, they do want you to know what three aspects affect a fixed-wing aircraft's center of gravity. Those three are pitch, which is the longitudinal stability, roll, which is the lateral stability, and yaw, which is the directional stability. As long as you know which ones they are, I think that you'll be all right to continue on. The load factor is, again, another concept that pertains to fixed-wing aircrafts and not necessarily drone operators. But the FAA does want you to know that in the case of a turn, the load factor, or the G-force, that's applied to the aircraft is going to increase. What's important is that you learn how to read this chart. So essentially, you need to know where exactly the G-force is going to be if you take a particular degree turn on your aircraft. For example, in this particular situation, if we were to take a banked angle at 60 degrees, our G units would be 2. Whereas if we were to take one at a 10-degree banked angle, it would just be over 1. As long as you know how to read this chart, you will have it available for you on the test. The last concept that I want to go over is the angle of attack and essentially what it is. Essentially, when you're taking off from a fixed-wing aircraft, you have something that's called the chord line, which runs right through the wing of the aircraft. What the concept of an angle attack is essentially the angle at which you can climb the aircraft without it necessarily stalling. So anytime that the chord line exceeds the angle of attack, there will be a stall. Obviously, you need to take into consideration the relative wind speed, but what's important to know for the FAA exam is that if you exceed the angle of attack, there will be a stall. A stall is something that we do not want. This has been Daniel with Drones in Hawaii signing off. Thanks again. Hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.